My room knows me better than I do. I said I'd go. Bruh. My room knows me better than I do. I said I'd go outside, but I just stayed again. Not even for a sad reason. I just recharged like a phone. So my social battery's at like 3%. I'm not risking it. My social battery ran out again. Fell asleep at like 6 a.m. So I've just been in my room since then. My room's basically a charger for me, except I don't plug in. I just go in.
Dude, what?
Anyway. I'm not avoiding life, I'm just offline. Please don't take it personal this time. I'll be back when my brain feels fine. I'm just recharging inside.